Hi, welcome back, Craft Family. My name is Kelly. Welcome to See Winter Baby Design. On today's episode, we are making Dollar Tree pillows. So what you need is the Dollar Tree placemat as well as the Dollar Tree dish drying mat. If you are a new subscriber to this channel, I like to do Dollar Tree DIYs as well as Cricut and Shop With Me videos. So the thing we're about to get ready to do is go ahead and hot glue the pillows together. So what I'm doing is putting hot glue at the very bottom. You don't have to use hot glue for this project. You can use your sewing machine, fabric glue, or E6000. The next step we're going to do is go ahead and stuff the pillow. I am using plastic bags. You don't have to use plastic bags. You can buy the stuffing that go inside the pillow from a craft store, or you can find an old pillow and use for this DIY project. Next, it's time to glue the pillow closed. What I'm using is a hot glue. You don't have to use hot glue. You can use fabric glue or you can sew it together. And finally, we're going to glue this bleed side to the pillow. I'm using hot glue for this. You don't have to use hot glue. You can use E6000. Second and final DIY is with this Dollar Tree drying placemat. So I'm using hot glue. You can sew it or you can use fabric glue. You don't have to have hot glue. And if you do use the hot glue, you only have like 20 to 40 seconds to seal it closed. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our design onto the pillow. So what I'm doing right now is using my heat press as well as parchment paper to warm up the surface. If you're familiar with Cricut, you have to warm it up for at least about 20 seconds before you put the design on. So I decided to come up with a snowflake and a hope design. I'm trying to figure out where the middle of the pillow is. So I just placed it on top and then put the parchment paper back onto the design, and the heat press is set at 330. This is the reason why you use parchment paper, because if I didn't use it, that would have been on the heat press. So I used bags the first time. This time I'm using up shredded paper. If I had got a lot of junk mail for the last month. So what I'm doing is using the shredded paper and put it inside of the pillow. You can use Dollar Tree bags, grocery bags, stuffing from an old pillow, or you could buy the stuffing from any craft store. Once you finish adding the stuffing inside of the pillow, you can go ahead and seal it with hot glue, or you could stitch it, or you could use fabric glue for this project. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the next video.